Alright, I think we're all set up. Actually, I should probably do the chats. I wonder how this sounds. Actually, I should probably do. Is the music like too loud? I'm about to put it down a little bit. The chats. I wonder how this sounds. Yeah. I'm playing music from this site called upbeat.io. I think it's all royalty free, and I made this playlist using AI on their site. It's better than I thought it'd be. I thought it was gonna be a bunch of like really corny YouTube or like TikTok music, but it's better than I thought. It's not perfect, but I figured for a stream like this, it would be nice to have some music. Hold up real quick. Let me just pop all these chats out just in case someone wants to say something. I figured for a stream like this, it would be nice to chat pop out. Basically what this stream is going to be is just kind of what the title says. It's just gonna be a body double. I'm gonna be working on a game here in Godot, and you're gonna watch. This stream is very, I guess like selfish, I guess, or whatever. It's really just for me. It's not really for entertainment purposes. But I figured if I'm gonna be putting in, 2 to 3 hours a day working on this game, I might as well stream it, I guess. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. But the main thing that I'm doing here is working on this game. It's really more like a prototype. I've never finished a game. I've started a whole bunch of projects and I never finished one. So I started working on this yesterday morning, and then I worked on it last night, and then I worked on it this morning. And yeah, so like in total I only have like 6 hours in it. But this is the game so far. It's not anything crazy. I made everything that you see. I made the whatever this is. I made the enemies. If you look at that black dot, so you see for the player, you can kind of tell which way they're facing because of what I put on there. And I did the same thing for the enemy, but I didn't configure it to where they face the player yet. They kind of just like are staying at the default up position. So I want to change that. But I made everything. I made all these sprites. I made the background, just so you can get a sense of movement, because before it was just a plain background and you couldn't really tell that you were moving. And then we have like, you can go really fast if you hold space. This is normal, and then this is, oh shit. Oh yeah, you can die. So up here, it's 2 out of 5, and I have 29 kills. And each kill is 10 points. That's all subject to change, obviously. But when you die, it just goes blank. So that's all we have right now. I should get into like a Google Doc. And mind you, I've been using AI to develop all of that. Other than like visually. But all of this code here, it's all AI. Really, I mean, I understand what it's doing, like applying the like it's all, they say good code documents itself, and if you've ever used AI to code, it does give you, it comments out a lot of the code, or not of the code, but it puts comments in there a lot. so it's pretty easy to follow. This language is called GD script. It's a specific language for Godot. It acts kind of like Python a little bit to some degree. But can y'all see him? No, y'all can't. He just sat like right here, literally. Big ass cat. So yeah, it acts kind of like Python. It's not really too hard to understand. There is one thing that I want to understand what it means. It's like a math. Let's see if I can find it. It's like a math symbol with it's a colon mixed with a equal sign, and I forgot what that does. I don't think we use it though. Alright, yeah, whatever. But it's not too hard to follow. I did type a lot of this out, but then I did end up just like copying and pasting code. As long as like I would like scan it and make sure that it was like the full script and it was coherent, and then I would just copy and paste it in there. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now. AI really does help free up a lot of the kind of like headaches when it comes to coding, so you can focus more on like game design, which is nice, because I do consider myself more of a game designer than a developer, I guess. I don't know, all those titles and stuff kind of fly by me. I don't really pay too much attention to them. But I have a Google Doc over here, and I'm just gonna write down some things. I probably should have done this beforehand. But what did I want to do? I did have like a few minor things that I wanted to do. Cause I want this experience to feel fun. Like, this is a super simple experience. If you've ever tried to make a game, you know how like difficult it is, to say the least. But if I can make this fun, if I can make this like how Geometry Wars is, but better, I think that's a W. So this is really just like a prototype to kind of understand like game design and how to complete a full game, like a fully featured game. So there was a few things. I do want to get the enemy to face the player. That'll probably be number one. Hold on. Yeah, I know my keyboard is a little loud, so I apologize for that. I do want to get a new keyboard. This is like a mechanical keyboard and it's pretty loud. I'm kind of getting tired of it, low key. I want a more low profile keyboard. Excuse me. Excuse me again. I guess more weapons, because I don't like having to tap this every time. Oh yeah, and behaviorally, this is like way too simple. I don't like this at all. I guess that'll come later though. For now, get the enemies to face the player. And new weapon. We could just start there. Let's do 2 new weapons. Let's do I kind of want one that like pierces through like a sniper, like one that you would like hold and then release. Hold and then release. Yeah, I think that'd be kind of cool. And then it could like knock you back too. So like when you shoot, you like get shot. You get like shot back like that. And then a machine gun, which could be like a Uzi or something. assault rifle. And maybe I'll change this to be like a slow firing automatic pistol, so you don't have to click every time. Okay, let's first try to get the enemies to face the player. Yes, I am using ChatGPT. I wonder if I can upload my GD script to this. Nah, it's whatever. It's a cat. I wonder how that sounds actually. Like, is the music too loud? I'm kind of curious. Yeah, I'm listening to it right now. It sounds pretty good. I don't know if it's bad or not, but it sounds good to me. Right now I'm literally just talking to test it, but it doesn't sound too bad. It sounds like it's at I could probably turn it down a little bit, but the mic is pretty loud too, so. Yeah, no, it's fine. I'm just gonna turn it down a little bit. Yeah, it was at 35. I'm gonna put it to 25. That should be good. Okay. Yeah, so my process when I use AI to like basically write code for me, I just copy and paste. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I just copy and paste my entire code and then kind of like prompt it from there. Here's my, actually I could probably just show it, right? Why not? Is it showing still? Yeah, it is. Okay. Guess that's kind of in the way. I don't know where to put my face. Where do I put my face at? I don't know. Here's and this is kind of when like the body doubling of this comes in, because usually after I hit enter and it starts thinking and like generating the code or whatever, I would like get on my phone and, you know, and I would go on my phone for like 5 to 10 minutes even after this is already generated, and I'm like wasting time So it's nice to have this on so that I slack less, you know? I'm just less prone to like picking up my phone when I'm streaming. So like I said, this is not for entertainment purposes at all. This is for me, so I can work. Yeah. Nice. This enemy script is clean already. It literally wrote it. It's just complimenting itself. That's so funny. If your enemy has a spray, grab it. Where? And like, I don't like how it's not color coded. Like, this doesn't look like actual code. Like, the syntax is right, obviously. But like, if it was generating code in like C# or JavaScript, it would be all like color coded. It would look like how it would look like in an IDE. Excuse me. Yeah. I don't like that because like, I don't know. It's harder to read, I guess. Less appealing to look at. Okay. Hey, what's up, cat? You want to get out of my room? Here, get down and I'll let you out. Stop doing that. Okay. I don't have to do the whole script. Change this path. It wouldn't be node 2D though, right? It would be character body, right? I don't know, but I know this is proto enemy. I think that's gonna be regular. What is it for this? Yeah, just regular 90. But that's for the aim offset, so I'm just gonna yeah. Oh wait, I guess that's called an aim offset too. I'm gonna just leave that as is for now, and then change it when needed. But this is what's concerning me right now. I feel like I might have to change that because it's not a node 2D, it's a character body. Like, this is node 2D, and then we have all this stuff under it. This root node, the root node here, is a character body. Same with this is a character body. Oh, should I rename this actually? I might have to like put enemy and then proto enemy. I need to be more consistent with like saying enemy and proto. It's kind of like confusing me already. Max health. I'm gonna have to ask it what my hierarchy is supposed to look like. physics process. After you compute the direction, rotate the sprite. Let's try this. Okay, well, that's not working. Yeah, I think it's the path. Oh, hold up. It's this. Okay, there we go. Okay, so it's facing away. Gotta get it to face. Move, cat. It should be facing us now. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Okay. Yeah, see, now you can see the black dot is looking at us. Okay, cool. Small things like that. I feel like that's like, it's slightly more engaging already. Just because it doesn't look like they're mindless, I guess. Like, it looks like they're aware of you. I don't know, small things like that players won't really appreciate, you know what I mean? But I think it helps. Yeah, I think that helps a lot, actually. I could probably make that dot a little more noticeable. But it's okay for now. All this is prototyping. Like, even the player's a placeholder. Everything there is a placeholder, even the background. What am I doing? Okay, so now we're gonna do the weapons. So we have the bullet script. I want the scroll wheel to be able to scroll the different weapons. Excuse me. First, I guess we'll just add the weapons itself. I wonder if they're gonna have me do that in different scripts, like a different script for each weapon, or do I just have one script with all of the weapons? It's my debugger. Oh yeah, I don't know why it's saying that I'm not calling this. Like, it's never used. Parameter max has a built-in function. Okay. These errors aren't game breaking. Like, these don't break your game. It's more like warnings. These aren't really errors. These are more like warnings. That's why they're yellow. And I could still run the game and stuff. But if it's red, that's a problem. That's a bug. This is just a little warning. They don't really matter that much. Okay. Do you want to leave? Okay. Come on. Alright. Actually. Or should I give it context of the player? No, it doesn't really need the bullet. We'll just say 3 new weapons. 3 new weapons. Arsenal. I can't spell. I want to add 3 new weapons to the player's arsenal. I want to add 3 new weapons to the player's arsenal in a separate GD script. Also allow the player to switch weapons with the scroll wheel. Yes. I'm going to do that. While that's loading, we're thinking. Let's go back to this. I should probably use Trello instead of this. What other things do we want to do? Oh yeah, add UI for the weapons, like bullets. Magazines, the limit to shooting. Weapon magazines. Reload. I guess it's about to ask me what kind of weapon. Or is it just gonna... I should have described the weapons, to be honest. Yeah. Okay, I put a shotgun in here. A separate weapon script, data plus behavior, updates your player script. Okay. interesting how they're doing it. They're doing like a weapon data. I don't even know where to. I should probably start to organize this here. I'll do that. I'll do that after the weapon. I promise. I'm gonna sit here and do that. How do you just create a script? I genuinely don't know. Where even are my scripts? Oh, is it these? Yeah. Guess we'll do that now. This shouldn't change anything, right? I hope not. How do you just make a script? I know how to like add a script to something. You could just add a script here. Can you add more than one script to something? I feel like you can't. I feel like it's just one. It's just the one. Yeah, I'm still learning how to use this engine. I'm still understanding how it works. Am I actually live on X? I just want to see if it's working. I know I'm distracting myself. Oh, I am live. Yeah, no, it is working. Alright, cool. Very cool. Very, very cool. Back to it. It's funny how I don't know how to make a script. It's actually hilarious. Actually, I might as well just show this, what I'm looking at. Okay, that's all the normal stuff. So all the stuff they added, it's a lot. Yeah, they changed a lot. I need to figure out how to file system doc. Bro, how do I just like write? Create new script. And it's not gonna mess with my spawner? I really hope it doesn't. Underscores. I'm not gonna lie. I like camel case. Camel case? That's what it's called, right? Yeah. Weapon data. Okay. So that's how you do it. You just right click on that. Okay. Because I was looking for like white space or like empty space that I could right click on, but it's just right there. Okay. Oh, that's what I was talking about. Right there. The colon with the the equal symbol. I forgot what that does. I should ask. I should look at the documentation real quick. Should be previous and wheel down should be next, right? Wheel up. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. Cause here it's telling me to do wheel up for next. But up is that, right? I don't know, like I like to scroll down first when I want to switch my weapon. I don't want to scroll up. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's go down. Down. Like my finger is going down. Yes. fix it. This is an actual bug. This is a problem. From a variant value. I wonder what actual part is the problem though. Has to do with like physics, right? This for the offset. I'm gonna say I don't even think this will run. Weapon data too, because this script isn't even being used right now. It's just there, or is that how it's supposed to be? Why are these like different colors? Why is these gray? And like, why does this one look different? And why does that one look like that? Why do they all look different? I wonder like what that is. Okay. Terms of variant you're using. And for a concrete, is that what that does? Is that the same thing? Oh no, it's not. Okay. So I could just... Can I just do this then? It looks like I could just do this. It's gonna save now. How's it doing that? Okay, well, my weapon script is cooked. Yeah, okay, well at least it's running. And no like big error messages. Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay. So this weapon data doesn't need to be attached to a node. As long as it says as long as it extends resource plus class name. Oh, and that might be the problem. That might be, hold up, because this is. Oh, and that should be good. But in here. Okay, no, it should be good. Because I thought that it would probably use like the weapon with the underscore and then data. I don't like the underscores. I mean, I think it just looks lame. I'd rather just use camel case. Okay, no, it looks good. It looks fine. But now I'm confused because I can't shoot. Yeah, it won't let me shoot. Player, maybe we changed it. Huh. Interesting. I actually like this. Okay. So pistol. I don't even like this is interesting. Automatic. Bullets per what? Per shot? Yeah, just one. Fire rate. Let's do 0.5. Pistol. Let's do. I can do like a snipe. I want to do like a sniper, but this one is going to be an AR. AR. Fire rate. 4. Spread. We can do like a 0.3. Automatic on. And this one, let's try a sniper. I guess I need to do that for all of them too. Fire rate. 0.5. Spread 0. Automatic off. But I kind of want the sniper to like hold and load, like to charge up. And honestly, let's try a shotgun. Oops. This 0.2 could be bullets per shot, so this one would be, let's do 6. A spread. I don't even know 0.8. I don't know how much that is. Automatic off. Let's see if this works. Let's see if this works. Is this gonna work? No, okay, so I still can't shoot. Okay, but down here it is saying that I'm switching. Wait. Oh, okay, wait, hold up. I think I know what that is. Okay. Non-existent function has radio base. Non-existent function. Is it what's happening, chat? They're just making up functions? It's kind of crazy. If bullet dot has variable. So that's not it's not a function? What do you mean? It does sound like a bad function name. Not gonna lie. It has input. Maybe it was pulling from something. Oh, it's non-existent in here that I have to update my bullet to. It just admitted that it used a fake method name. This is why AI isn't taking anyone's job anytime soon. No, I'm kidding. They're literally taking people's job right now. But it's more so of like people who know how to use AI is gonna take people who don't use AI. Gonna take their jobs. Because it literally just admitted, said, look, I'm literally gonna just show you. It says, nice, that one's on me. I used a fake method name. Like, what do you mean? Why would you do that? Why would you do that? You're like sabotaging me. Like, what? That's so funny. It doesn't exist on nodes in Godot, so it blows up as, yeah, like what the fuck? Stressing me out, bro. That's so funny, I don't know why. Oh, wait. Okay, so I can just hold it. Okay. Okay, so the shotty is kind of sick. The shotty just one-shots him. Not really how I expected this to happen though. It would be nice to be able to change the damage. Why is it automatically? Oh, because I have caps on. Fire rate. That's fine. Bullets per and then spread. That's all fine. The pistol is good. Pistol is normal. The AR. So fire rate. Maybe like this needs to be less. Yes. Yes. This needs to be like 0.004 bullets per and then spread. I don't even know like exactly. I want to see what the effect of that is. And then sniper fire rate. I guess this could be. This could be 1 bullets per. See, but because this is where the damage is for the bullet. How do you? I guess just make different bullets, right? That seems like I'm doing too much already. I guess this would be fine for now. It would be nice to be able to make different weapons do different damage. Right? But the weapon isn't doing the damage, the bullet is doing the damage. Sniper spread off. Okay. Spread? Wait, does this go up or down? Spread. I don't know what to do with this. Automatic off. Okay, there we go. You see the spread now. Wait, hold up. It takes a little while. Look. See how they spread? It should spread sooner though, no? It's kind of OP too, because it's getting hit by multiple bullets at once. Where am I at? Pistol. Oh, there we go. Now Nice. Okay. Having too much fun with that. Wait, where is it coming out of? Why is it coming out of the player like that? That's not where I put the muzzle. Wow, it is there. Why is it there? That's so weird. Okay, that's where the muzzle should be. What? What do you mean? What do you mean? 4 errors. Because the value does not have a set type. Does this have something to do with what we were just doing here? Oh, okay, I know what happened. I know what happened. It's because I changed this. And that's not supposed to be there. Okay. There we go. Yeah, so this is the sniper. And it's basically just a slower pistol that's not automatic. So the AR, the pistol, and I guess the shotty's good too. I'm gonna tweak the shotty. Fire rate, bullets, spread. Should we do like more? Should we do more? Oh shit. Oh, that's not the right one. Oh my god, I'm nice. I'm nice at this game. You know, I guess that is good. Yeah, that's alright. Yeah, I like that way better. It's not coming from the center of its body. I wanna add feedback to when we shoot it. And I'm trying to I also want to tweak the enemy's movement to feel more like the player. Like the player has this floaty feel. See, I'm not even touching it. It has like a floaty feel, and I like that. But it's also pretty responsive. Okay, I died. So I actually like the system that it implemented right here, that we could just like add different kinds of weapons, and then we have the weapon data to kind of like draw from. I do want to change the bullet damage. I want to start tweaking that a little bit. So let's write that here. I guess we just write like different like bullet damage. Different bullet damages for weapons. What should we do right now though? So we got the enemies to look at us. We got weapon types. Like what's next? Like what do we do? Because I mean, the game itself, I guess I'll just have like simple objectives to do in this like world, and I think I'm gonna turn this into like an extraction shooter, like a very super like streamlined extraction shooter. That's what I'm gonna try to do here with this. I guess enemy behavior. And like enemy types. But even before that, like I just want this to feel more satisfying. Yeah. Okay, let's. Yeah, so like when I shoot them, they just eat it. Do they get knocked back? Oh my god, I'm pressing the wrong button. No, they don't. Yeah, like it would be nice if like, okay, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do next. Like combat feedback in general. I'm gonna do like melee attack. That one's gonna be a little interesting because I feel like we're gonna need to utilize some animations, and I haven't done any animations yet. I also haven't put any sounds yet, so that would be kind of cool to do. Okay, UI for weapons. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm gonna do combat feedback, and it's gonna be super simple. It's really just gonna be like knockback. Basically, let's see. Basically, what happens when I get hit? I kind of like change the color. You see that? See how I like change color a little bit? And they get knocked back. So like something like along those lines. But for when I'm attacking them, when I'm shooting them. And then eventually I want them to, oh my god. The knockback was crazy. This unlimited ammo, that needs to be fixed for sure. I want to change their behaviors. And like maybe I should add a timer too, that'd be kind of cool. Timer. tiny scene with visual pop. Okay. That's a little, I don't know if I'm gonna do this, to be honest. Let's just delete this for now. Let's see if this plays. Okay, yeah, boom. Nice. Nice, now you can see that I'm hitting them. I guess it doesn't matter for those, it still looks the same. Kind of. Because it's just a one shot. I guess it'll look cool once I like have some type of like death animation. And they drop loot or whatever. I guess it'll look a lot better. Yeah. That looks good though, I like that. It looks good for now. I would like to add like for it to feel more punchy when I actually shoot. And I think that's what it was trying to do here. Screen shake? It also gave me some screen shake. Yeah, hold on, let me try to implement this. I mean, I could probably try to do this particle effect, but it says I would need to make a scene. I don't think I've messed with any particles in Godot yet. Make sure your enemy nodes are in group enemy node. Your bullet scene has this script. Okay, hold up. I'll try it. Is it gonna do it? How do I play it? I want to play it again. Yeah, mission shape, yeah. I want to do like a... No, I want like a cone. I don't know how to use directed points. Maybe I should just... This is fun. I like messing with particles. I remember doing this in Unity a while ago. It's fun messing with That looks cool as fuck. Whoa, what the... Oh my god, 40? What is happening? Wait, yeah, go to the default. Okay. Oh, velocity is when shit gets crazy. Oh, I see, because they... Oh, maybe I should just type it. I don't like how they're identical. They could be different. How do I do that? How do I make it to where they don't have to be identical? I don't know if I can, to be honest. But I want them to like go like that. too long, bro. I could do this all night, literally. How do I? What even is this? Okay, yeah, that's close enough. Why do they go? Jesus, I don't need them. No. And this should just be like a quick burst. Oh, lifetime. That's probably why. There we go. One shot. Wow, let's just keep this on for now. Let's try this. Save. Yeah, we can do that as that. Attach this to he's outside, like, scratching my door. I did all that work and it didn't even fucking. Oh my god. That knockback is crazy. Need to fix that. Dead ass. Okay, so I guess what I was just doing is supposed to be like a hit effect, which I guess the name kind of implies that, but I was making it with the idea of it's like a muzzle flash. So I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it. I don't even see it because like it's when I hit the enemy, you're supposed to see the sparks or whatever. Not doing it. So they just lied. Maybe we should like increase that. Yeah, I don't think that's working. Oh my god, debugger. That's 13 errors. Okay, it's talking about the hit sound. Okay, well I didn't add a hit sound. But I know what code it's talking about. Okay, so this, we could just do that for now. I really like the hit effect, but I wanted to see what the particle looked like. Okay. this to be like somewhat satisfying. It doesn't have to be like super perfect. Because like this game itself is gonna be pretty simple, so I feel like shooting these guys should feel satisfying. I want it to be like punchy, but like smooth and snappy and quick. So the bullet just damages the enemy and despawns with no visuals. Let's wire that up. So also say that you check the setup. Call spawn hit effect on head. Update your own body. Enter. This. Okay, I got you. Right, I did delete that. Duh. Wow. Oh, it's still not loading. I thought it would. now that I know it's that actually might be it. I keep changing the naming convention. Has anything to do with it, to be honest. No. Oh, there we go. Why do they stay for so long? That needs to like not stay for so long. Okay. Like what? I mean, at least they're showing up. Like it's working. The logic is working. Yeah. This. Oh. Is it because of this? Let's do 0.4. And I also want to like increase. Yeah. Lifetime, one shot. Like that. Can I like increase the scale? Can I make it larger? Okay, scale. Oh, yeah. And should I change it, the color to red? Or like a different color? Like, It just goes away so quick. The logic's working. That's so weird. Okay, I'm gonna spend like 5 more minutes on this. I did kind of like the green. It was nice. Let's just try it. I need one an effect. Nope, still don't see it. I mean, the only thing that I could think of is that one shot just doesn't work, so we have to do emitting. And then set it to put 0.4. I mean, for some reason, it's just not working. It's just not working properly. It would be kind of cool if it only played when they died. And then we could change it to red. Oh, look, I'm at the edge of the map. The map isn't that big. I think that might be a little too long. Yeah, I mean, I will say, the green, it doesn't even make sense that it's green. To be honest, it just doesn't make sense. Yeah. Maybe do a little brighter. My cat wants to come inside. Actually doesn't look horrible. Doesn't look that great neither. It doesn't look horrible. actually kind of looks like blood a little bit, and it's somewhat randomized because of the settings that I chose. So it's not like the same exact thing every time. Honestly, that looks better. It looks better than what it did before. Yeah. Cool. Alright. Okay, so we did combat feedback. We can go back to that at a later date if we want to, but I think that's decent. Damn, it's 11:14. When did I start this? Like 9:30? Okay, so it hasn't been too long. Let's see how long I've been live. Oh, 2 hours, yeah. That is a decent amount of time, to be honest. What's next? Well, the weapons, like the combat is still lackluster, like a lot. I do want to do the enemy behaviors, but I feel like that should just be done later. What's next? I do kind of want to add the melee, low key. Nah, I'm not gonna add that right now. Maybe I should just end it here. Just go to sleep, because I do kind of have to wake up early tomorrow. Yeah, I guess we can. What did I even complete? Okay, so I got the enemies to face us, and I got the feedback, so they get knocked back a little bit, and they turn red, and we got the particle effect in there, so that was cool, mess with the particle effects a little bit. Oh yeah, and then we added multiple weapons too. We did so much more than that, but we really didn't do that much. Word. I do want like more. Maybe that's what I'll do next time. Is like add some debris, like things floating around, like things to pick up. Yeah, pickups. Maybe we'll do pickups. Or maybe we'll make them drop stuff. Like start like a looting thing. Yeah, I think picking up stuff will like instantly make this a little bit more engaging. It's already not horrible. It's just like, but like, why are we killing these things? And like killing them it's too easy. It's too easy to kill them. Too easy. I really want to add like the charge up rifle that I'm thinking of, because like it would pierce through them. It would have pierced through. So I feel like that would be kind of satisfying to like charge it up and then zoom, like, you know what I mean? To shoot all of them. This one is nice. I do like the shotgun. Shotgun actually goes hard. Yeah, I think we're gonna end it there. There's enemy drops. Enemy loot drops. And then random pickups. Obstacles. Debris. I guess just objectives. And I need to figure out what the objectives are. And then extraction. Because I'm gonna try to make this into like a extraction. Pause. Menu. Main menu. Combat sounds. Game music. I'm just typing a bunch of stuff to do. Oh yeah, pickup sounds. Okay, I think that's good for now. Yeah, that's not too bad. So we got a few things done. Yeah, I'm probably gonna work on this a little bit off stream too. So the next time you see this, it'll probably look a little different, or like I'll have some more things implemented. But yeah, this is it for now. I'm calling it proto gem for now, but it's nothing. That's like a placeholder name. It's just all prototyping. But yeah, I'll see you all. I'll see y'all next time. I will see y'all next time. I don't know when I'm gonna do this again. I'm gonna try to do this like once a week. Same thing with open source thought. I actually didn't do an open source thought episode this week because I just had a lot going on, and then I was just like, I don't want to rush it and then it'd be like a bad show. So this Monday I am gonna continue with open source thought. That'll be the 8th episode. So we're gonna be doing that, but I do want to do this more. Just sit here and work through completing a game. You know, I do want to complete this. Like, I want to make it fully featured. You know, have like a menu and sounds and music. And then I'll probably share it on itch or something. I don't know, but yeah, that's what we're doing with this. It's just to hold myself accountable. Look at my phone less while I'm working on the game, because literally, like, it would probably be like 1 a.m. and I would have gotten the same amount done, because I would just be on my phone, scroll a little bit, you know what I mean? It's pretty bad. I have a bad habit. I need to stop being on my phone so much, to be honest. But I did enjoy this. This was fun. Yeah, that's it. This is the end of the stream. GG's, everyone. GG's. GG. G.